Hey, welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to do a review on this the Spider mobile task lights. This one has 1200 looms and also has a adjustable lens up to 180 degree. Okay. This one has magnets, two on each side. So you got total of 4 magnets. You could stick this on like a metal surface, either file cabinet, refrigerator, or washing machine, dryer, in case you guys are fixing or repair your washing machine or dryer. And this one you could also use as a power bank to charge your smartphone. So as you can see, there's a input or output. It comes with this USB to micro USB charging cable. So if you're going to charge your smartphone, you gotta connect this into here, USB port, and then all you needed to do is connect to your device, and this will charge up to 4 times. Okay, so as you can see, the phone shows charging right now. And here's all your control buttons right here. This is for the light on the left hand side, and then the one on the right hand side is for the emergency or S.O.S red lights. So if I press let me show you the right button right here, it's a blinking red light, and then this is the S.O.S, and then one more time it's just a flash white light. You can press one more time to turn it off. And then on the left hand side, you got a different mode. Here's the brightest, medium, low, and then this one is just for the regular bulb in the middle. So if you turn this on, you could press the red button on the right hand side. In case you have an emergency, you can press it right away. Or if you want to change back to regular light, you can press the left button right here. Okay, you don't need to shut it out completely or turn on completely in order to change the red light for emergency. And there's this rubber cap, which is this one is waterproof, dust proof. So the strong light has a long life battery up to 8 hours, low light level up to 12 hours, flash mode it will go up to 18 hours. Okay, and it has 4 of the poly lithium ion battery, so you could charge your smartphone up to 3 to 4 times. So this is a pretty nice build. Chrome finish in the front. As you can see, you got a whole bunch of LED bulbs around this, and then up there, down here as well. There's a one big one right in the middle section. So this one reminds me of Transformer, the face. So let me talk about when you charge this unit. So when you charge this unit, you get the red LED right here. And once it's fully charged, this red LED will turn it to blue color. That means fully charged, okay? So when you fold this, you got to be careful. Make sure the wire is not in the way, or it's gonna smash it or cut open. So you got to be careful. So maybe move out of the way. And if you need to fold it completely down or whatever, then you could do so. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys a clip on a couple of the clip that I test out with this unit. Oh, I forgot to mention there's a hole right here for you to mount this on the tripods. So you could use this for if you are using like a photographer or videography. You could use this in case your room is too dark. And also this light allow you to change a different mode, the brightness, which is pretty awesome. Okay, unless you want to go crazy with the red light or flash. So as you can see, it is pretty dark right now. And I'm trying to clean the refrigerator on the back. I know there's probably a lot of dust or lint that is built up. I'm going to use this flashlight. Wow. Look at that. And then I can tear this down. Okay. And then I try to clean it. You could also stick this on the refrigerator, but make sure it is metal. But somehow with this, this refrigerator has this kind of texture, so it's kind of sliding down a little bit. See, I don't want to fall. Or if I put it like this, it's kind of slip down by itself because of the weight. See, it's coming down right now. So with the vertical metal, you gotta make sure it is doesn't have a texture like that. I was gonna fall down slowly. Let me see if I could try to stick it on the back. So with the back, not that much texture. So it's not falling down or sliding down or gliding down slowly. Okay? So make sure there's no texture when you try to stick it on the metal surface. Look at all this dust that's collecting from all those years. So if you guys don't clean it, this is what's going to happen. And it's going to damage your circuit board. That's what happened to mine last time. So I got to clean it every couple months. Well, that's better than before. So, wow, look at that. Nice and clean. So if you are working on your car engine, it is so dark right now inside the garage. So you could stick this magnets on the hood. Okay. And then just turn on the light. And there you go. So bright and clear. So in case it's too bright, just press that button to change it. This is medium, medium, and then low. And then this is just a regular one LED, look like a halogen light, but so this is without the light, with the super bright, medium, low. Okay, let's give you an idea. So you could also mount this LED lights on the tripod. Okay, so I mount this on the tripod already, and then you can adjust the height or whatever, and then angle, and just turn it on. My tripod, you could swivel or to tilt different angle. So if you want to tilt this angle, you just lift it up and adjust it. In case if you are filming on the floor or do something, you just tilt it all the way to either 180 degree or however you want. And let's turn it on. Anyway, hopefully you guys like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.